Start your day with unstoppable energy and wellness with plant-based breakfasts, oats, and berries. Elevate your morning routine and feel incredible from the very first bite. This vibrant, nutrient-packed breakfast combo not only tastes delicious, but also supports lasting focus, digestion, and vitality for your entire day. Imagine waking at sunrise, eager to nourish yourself with something wholesome, easy, and bursting with flavor. A bowl of creamy oats gently simmered or soaked overnight, crowned with juicy berry strawberries, blueberries, raspberries drizzled lightly with maple syrup, or a sprinkle of nuts and seeds. That simple, stunning bowl is your ticket to clarity and stamina all morning long. The soluble fiber in oats helps regulate blood sugar and keep hunger at bay, while the antioxidants in berries deliver a micronutrient punch that supports immunity and mental sharpness. Cooking oats with plant-based milk or water brings out their rich texture and mild nutty flavor. Let them soften slowly until luxuriously creamy. Layer in a colorful mix of fresh or frozen berries. Add chia, hemp, or flax seeds for omega-3 south, or crushed almonds and walnuts for healthy fats. A dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract adds warmth and aroma. Every mouthful invites a feeling of nourishment from belly to brain, but benefits go beyond taste and texture. This breakfast takes less than 10 minutes or is ready overnight, and cleans up easily, perfect for busy days. Students, parents, entrepreneurs, creatives. On camera, the vivid splash of red and purple berries atop a pale oat base creates a visually compelling thumbnail or opening shot that instantly grabs attention. With the right framing and lighting, you can transform a simple moment of cooking into a bold invitation. Fuel your morning now. That's exactly how you hook new viewers. Your video title, thumbnail, and description are your first impression. Make it count. Use powerful keywords like fuel your day, morning energy boost, and oats and berries power to trigger curiosity and action. Encourage viewers to click, watch, like, and subscribe. Watch now to learn the simple recipe. Tap the play button to fuel your morning. Don't miss energy tips at the end. Inside the video, showcase step-by-step preparations: soaking oats, stirring them, layering berries, then close with a friendly, enthusiastic on-screen CTA. If you enjoyed this breakfast hack, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more simple, plant-based morning meals. Share your creations in the comments below using hashtag #PlantBasedBreakfastBoost. This call to action invites engagement and community building. You can also offer helpful variations. Try coconut or almond milk instead of water, cinnamon or cardamom instead of vanilla, or swap berries for sliced banana and toasted coconut. For more protein, stir in a scoop of vegan yogurt or peanut butter swirl. Encourage experimentation. Tag your favorite combo. To build viewer participation by framing the breakfast bowl as not just food, but a morning ritual, a burst of plant-powered wellness. You inspire viewers to believe that changing one meal can shift their entire day. Every morning becomes a choice. Continue the same old routine, or fuel their morning now with oats and berries. So, craft your YouTube video around this theme. Use impactful titles like Fuel Your Morning, Plant-Based Oats and Berries Breakfast Boost, sticky thumbnail text like Start Energized Every Day, and strong for word keywords to drive clicks. Conclude with a heartfelt invitation. Subscribe, comment, and share your breakfast stories. You'll not only show how to make a bowl, you'll empower healthier beginnings, one sunrise at a time.